O4B. My name is Ashifa, this is Erma, this is Nat, and this is Mira. Today we are going to present about our group project from subject IMD222.
ROG Strix B450 gaming series, which provides a feature set distilled from the high-end ROG Strix X-Force 470 gaming series that gives you all essentials for a well-balanced build. With compressive cooling options, dual PCIe 3.0 ME slots and AMD Store MI support for incredible storage, speed, improved DDR4 memory, stability, and many more. ROG Strix B450 Gaming delivers the performance Nawal needs, with room to focus her budget on accompanying hardware. Next, the motherboard also offers a rich customization option with lighting, synchronization, as well as guided performance tuning and optimization via intuitive ROG software, and that makes it easy for experienced and first-time system builds alike to create a gaming system. And that one is computer case. Computer case is an important equipment for a good computer. Computer case is also known as chassis, tower, system unit, or cabinet that contains most of the components of personal computer. We decided to choose HP EliteDesk Desktop PC. Casing motherboard, power supply, DVD RW. Now I'll need a computer specification for gaming, so we are sure that this computer case is really suitable for Nawal. And this HP EliteDesk Desktop PC casing, motherboard, power supply, DVD RW have a simple but classic design with DVD ROM mounted on it. For the next component, we have hardware. In hardware, we have processor. So AMD B450 is perfect for power users who value flexibility and overclocking control, but do not need the maximum PCIe bandwidth required by multi-GPU configuration. Includes AMD Store MI storage, acceleration technology at no extra cost, because the new AMD B450 chipset can be used with all AMD Ryzen and the second gen Ryzen processors. It can be used in everything from a compact HTPC and in all the way to an enthusiast class gaming PC.
The next one is system memory, also known as ROM. We decided to choose Kingston HyperX Fury Black 8GB DDR4 gaming RAM as it delivers a boost of performance and style with speeds of up to 3466 MHz, aggressive styling, and RGB lighting that runs the length of the module for smooth, stunning lighting effects. It features plug-and-play automatic overclocking at 2400 MHz and 2666 MHz speeds, and is compatible with both latest Intel and AMD CPUs.
Okay, for the Windows 10, Windows 10 is a service of personal computer operating system that produced by Microsoft as a part of its Windows NT family of operating system. Okay, latest update, the Windows 10 is on November 20, 2019. Windows 10 is integrated on improved data loss prevention component into the OS. So it will help Nawal to make sure all the assignment that always safe. So we suggest the Windows 10 Professional Win 10 Pro 32 over 64-bit lifetime Activation license key because it was the best Windows 10. Okay. Next software is Opera. Opera is pretty well web browser for the Microsoft Windows, Android, iOS, Mac and Linux operating system that developed by Opera Software. Opera offers many security features available for the user. It will help to provide the including cookies, browsing history and cache. We suggest the Opera browsers to Nawal because it will help Nawal to find all the information without get any virus in her computer. Also, we are think that Opera is the best software. This is Ruby. Ruby is included in programming software. So we decide to choose Ruby for the Nawal because it's a free, dynamic, open source and for open source programming and productivity. It has an elegant syntax that is natural to read and easy to write. So we think that Nawal really need this programming software as a student. So we think that this is a great choice for Nawal for a beginning friendly interface. Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office also include in the software. Microsoft Office 2019 is the current version that and in this package is include the Microsoft Office as a Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, Publisher and other. Now I really need this Microsoft Office because as a student, now I need to do a lot of assignment. So if you use this Microsoft Office software, it will make her work more easier too. Visual Basic Net is a multi-paradigm, object-oriented programming language, and it also implements on the Net framework. Visual Basic Net function. The Visual Basic Net function is to support the feature of the subject-oriented programming, which include the encapsulation, polymorphism, expression, and also the inheritance. Now one become more easier to use a web service and also web development by using this Visual Basic Net. We are sure that now one really need to Visual Basic and it was free so now for now one. So now I can save budget. For the last software that we choose is Adobe Master Collection. As a student, Nawal really need Adobe Master Collection, so we suggest Nawal to choose Adobe Master Collection CSC. This Adobe Master Collection is include all Adobe that Nawal can use. Adobe Master Collection CSC is a very powerful package that consisting of all the Adobe CSC that include Flash, Photoshop, Dreamweaver, and more. Now we need three important Adobe. That first is Adobe Premiere Pro. Second is Adobe Dreamweaver and Adobe Director.
The next one is input device. Input device include monitor, mouse, and keyboard. Monitor is a display the computer user's interface and open programs. Monitor will display all data and files on the screen. So for Nawal, we suggest Nawal to choose Asus 23.8 VA to 249 HE HDI Care LED monitor. It is because it has a wide 20.8-inch screen which it will give a good display for Nawal to play game. Also, a good monitor is a crucial element for gaming. Other than that, colors play a huge factor as it helps set the mood of color. So we We suggest the monitor as it flicker-free and anti-glare screens, and most important is the option to control blue light emission from the on-screen display OSD. Wireless mouse and keyboard, we have choose lock disk input device. It will help Nawal to key in any type of data using this boot device. Other than that, both mouse and keyboard, it is one of the crucial elements for Nawal to do her work. Besides, having a good mouse keyboard will help Nawal to do her work efficiently. Also, we suggest this brand because we think it is suitable for Nawal. This is also worth the price because they sell it with combo set, which it will not use a lot of cost from. The next one is output device, which is printer. We choose HP DeskJet 2622 Wi-Fi all-in-one printer can save time and money without HP's most affordable wireless all-in-one printer to date with a hassle-free and setup and easy printing for Nawal mobile device. HP DeskJet 2622 all-in-one will remove the complication of Nawal everyday pointing area. One is speaker. Each element of MX sound has been meticulously selected from the high-end drivers to the premium fabric to the motion-activated backlit control to deliver superior audio in a beautiful design. Listen via Bluetooth or a wired connection and seamlessly switch between them with a Logitech Easy Switch features. Enjoy an exceptional experience at your desk. It helps to fulfill Nawal's need to experience in a good sound system. Is pricing consideration. This is a price list that we have considered after we choose the computer specification for Nawal. It is below 3,000, which is good for Nawal because Nawal is still a student since she don't have income to buy an expensive computer. Nawal can fulfill their needs without wasting money. In conclusion, all of these requirements fits perfectly into Nawal's need. From her gaming hobbies all the way to perform her responsibility as a student, Nawal has it all with all the PC components we provided for her. To add, all of the software and hardware are less than 3,000 in a total. Nawal can use Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint as for her programming tasks. Nawal can easily download Ruby and VBNet to perform her programming assignment. With that being said, we hope that Nawal is content with what we provided her and utilize it to the fullest. Thank you from us.